Posting videos on YouTube but getting 0 views? Here is how to grow fast even if you are starting from 0. You're going to do if you must grow fast on your channel is to niche down. Stop posting random videos. Focus on one niche or 2 niches at the same time and then concentrate on it in order to scale your YouTube channel. For example, if you are focused on AI content and how-to content, please stick to that. Do not post on the same channel AI content and how-to content and again tell us come along with me to Balogun Market to buy school bag. No, that is not how to grow fast on YouTube. Or some of you might decide to even say cook jollof rice with me on the same channel that you are making AI videos or how-to content. Another way to grow fast on your YouTube channel is to leverage on viral topics. Don't post random content ideas on your YouTube channel. This will hurt your YouTube channel because those videos will not generate views. What to do is that notice those contents that are currently going viral. For example, people in your niche, you have to follow them. Once you follow them and you see that a particular topic is going viral, you should jump on it and create yours. For example, recently Grok has asked free users to pay in order to access Grok AI. So a lot of AI channel and how-to content channel are currently posting alternative to Grok AI and it is bringing them so much views because a lot of people are searching that on YouTube. So what you need to do is follow some of these YouTubers in your niche and then pay attention to when you see that a lot of them are posting the same viral content at the same time. What you need to do as a small YouTuber or a YouTube channel that is just starting is to jump on that idea, create yours, make it better, and you will generate more views. Related to use viral topics only is the fact that I'm going to advise you to use your YouTube search bar in order to get viral content ideas. So I'm going to be showing you how to do so shortly. Go to YouTube and type in the search bar the topic of the video you want to make and you can see YouTube will immediately make suggestions. And the first suggestion is the most searched one on YouTube. I'm just going to take it and then go to keywords in vidIQ. I'm going to type it in keywords in vidIQ. That is how to grow your YouTube channel. Then I'm going to click on search. What vidIQ will do for me is that it will show me the opportunity for this topic. Here you can see the search volume is 81 and the competition is medium, which suggests that this title or this keyword would do well if I make a video around it. Focus on what is working. If for example you have been doing all of this and you notice that some set of things that you do are actually working for your channel, don't change it, just keep on doing it. Just keep on doing it and getting better at it. This way you are going to grow fast on YouTube and your channel is going to blow up in no time. The third thing I'm going to teach you in order to grow your YouTube fast and go viral on YouTube is your thumbnail. Boy, they don't teach this in the university. If you want your viewers on YouTube to click on your videos, your YouTube thumbnail must be fire. So real quick, I'm going to teach you or show you how to make viral YouTube thumbnail using AI under 1 minute in this same video. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel. So the first thing you need to do is go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt. If you want this prompt, you can just tell me. What I'll now go ahead to do now is I'm going to edit the prompt. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and edit the prompt where it says insert text. I'm going to clean insert text and type in the text I want to be on my YouTube thumbnail. So I'm just going to type it. Once you are done typing it, I'm going to go to the plus button and go ahead and upload the image that I want to be on my thumbnail. So if you are still watching, do not forget to subscribe. I'm just going to click on the plus button and I'm going to go to my gallery and bring in this image because I want to use this image for my thumbnail. So I'm just going to bring in the image and then wait for it to upload. Once it is done uploading, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the send button. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT did not understand that it is supposed to generate the thumbnail. So I'm just going to type it real quick that you are to generate the thumbnail. You know, ChatGPT is an AI, you still have to guide it. So I'm just going to type in you are to generate the thumbnail. And ChatGPT will now go ahead and generate it. the moment I type just that. You can see it is generating. Be patient for it to generate so that you can have your scroll stopping, attention grabbing thumbnail for your YouTube in order to grow your YouTube channel and generate views, likes and subscribers. You can see it is almost ready here, and you can see that it is now ready. It is so beautiful and it is attention grabbing. Who does not want to have this type of thumbnail? Let me know if you want the prompt in the comment section. In order for your YouTube thumbnail to stand out, there are two things that you must do. First, you must have an image of you on your YouTube thumbnail showing emotions like I'm sure you have seen such type of thumbnail on YouTube, and you can see that those thumbnails generate thousands and thousands of views. The second thing is that you must have a big bold text beside your image on your thumbnail, and then you must have a clean background or a background that is exaggerated but looking so beautiful. To do in order to grow on YouTube is your hook. Your hook is what you say in the beginning of your video. That will determine if your viewers will stay or swipe away. So the first thing I'm going to tell you is that don't start your video with "Hi guys, welcome back to the channel," and that is old school. We have done that in the past on YouTube and it doesn't work anymore. I'm going to teach you how to create a fire hook for your YouTube. For example, if your video is on how to improve your views on your YouTube videos, all you have to say is, "This mistake is killing your views on your YouTube video," as your hook. Then you now follow it up with, "I'm going to teach you 5 things to implement in order to improve your views on your YouTube video." Watch till the end because I have a bonus tip for you to improve your video. You can see you are not only hooking your viewers, you are also letting them watch throughout the length of your video. So by telling them you are going to give them the steps to improve their views, and you also have a bonus tip for them at the end of that video. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? And the 5th thing I'm going to tell you to do in order to grow fast on YouTube is to post smartly. Experts will say post 3 to 5 videos a week on YouTube, but I'm just going to be sincere with you. For some of us, that is not feasible. We have 9 to 5 jobs, or we have other things that keep us occupied that we cannot produce this number of videos. So I was going to say to you now, be consistent and post quality videos. It could be once a week, it could be 2 times a week. Make sure you are consistent and showing up every time, even if it is 1 time a week or 2 times a week, because I know our situation is not the same all across board. In the beginning of this video, I said it is okay to look up to bigger channel in your niche and just copy them when they post viral content. I'm just going to say it that the 6th thing to do is copy and paste special. What I mean by copy and paste special, you can take like 2 to 3 competitors in your niche and just follow them religiously. Once you follow them and you see a viral topic or a good topic you want to copy, once you copy it, please paste specially. What I mean by paste specially is that better title, better thumbnail and better explanation. Once you do this, you take their video, make it 3 or 4 times better, and before you know it, your YouTube is growing fast, and before you know it, you have 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. If you follow all of this, your channel will grow surely. And the most important thing is consistency. A lot of people are not consistent due to one thing or the other, but if you can follow all of these steps I have listed, you will surely grow on YouTube. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment. Bye bye.